Hey everybody, it's been a little while since we've done a Mailbag Monday, but we got mail and it's Monday, so it's Mailbag Monday. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And this is Fun King 3D.
You've got mail.
All right, so I guess we're gonna do this one first, and we know who this is from. It's actually, well, you are excited. Not even letting me talk. You're just gonna do it. This is from Ron M., better known as the Canadian Maker Project. And I did know it was coming. I don't know what's inside of it. But it's heavy. It's got some good weight to it. And I mean, we always thank each and every one of you guys for sending us stuff. But Ron, the amount of postage you paid on this is crazy. So, but we definitely appreciate you sending us stuff.
I'm just gonna rip it.
Yeah, okay. It's very beautiful packaging. It's almost like it's like a birthday present.
Die box. Wait, there's another box in it. Oh, come on.
It even comes with instructions. Cut here.
Die wrapping paper. Die. Or you could cut here.
No, it says cut here.
And it also says cut here
Oh.
and here. And it also says cut here, here. Does it say cut here? No. It's a very fancy
All right.
box.
Do you want me to cut it or are you going to cut it?
I'm going to cut it.
Oh, that scares me.
Here you go.
Okay.
Very fancy box.
Always cut away from yourself. Do as I say, don't do as I do. I'm a skilled box cutter.
Right.
I just want to make sure I got it, and then you can open it.
Okay, no, I want to open it. No.
Okay. Let's see if we can get some detail camera in here.
This is amazing.
Maybe it
box.
should be the other way. Maybe we should do it this way.
It's food.
It's food.
It's
we love food.
Smarties. Ooh. Oh, it's Canadian food.
Oh, is that what I think that is?
It's Canadian food.
It's a Nestle's Aero Bar. I have not eaten one of these in
Mr.
a long
Big?
time, probably close to 20 years. This is chocolate with air injected in it. And the first time, see all the bubbles? The first time I seen one of those when I was in Canada, I thought, that's the most crazy thing. But it's a really unique experience to eat that.
Oh, okay. And we have stuff and stuff with
Stuff and stuff? Well, you got to talk about what the stuff is.
It's
Boy, there's all kinds of fun stuff in here. We have a Cadbury Crispy Crunch.
And then we have some of the...
It's a large Ziploc bag with a desiccant. It's to put you in it. Maybe that's your new fart bag for Joe Mike. You have to fill that up. All right, so here we have a box of what's known as Nestle Smarties, and I'm not familiar with those. I've never had those.
Yeah, I told you it wasn't.
Oh, Cadbury Mr. Big Bar. I haven't had one of those in about 20 years as well. Unfortunately, I won't likely get to eat any of this because the kids will eat it all.
Yep.
And a Nestle's Coffee Crisp. So, Ron, this was really cool. This was definitely stuff that we don't have here. I want to say that the Aero Bar was actually new when I was up there. It was like a new thing because they were giving them away. They were giving them away at like McDonald's or something weird like that. So, and that's why I got to try one of those. Look, it came with a letter. You didn't tell me there was a letter.
Oh,
in there.
I didn't see the letter.
So,
I'm just trying to...
what is that, filament?
I think so. Special Canadian filament.
Oh, it's like super. All right, let's see. Hello, Fun King 3D.
That's us.
This is Ron from Canadian Maker Project. Yes, there is too many Rons out there in 3D printing world. There are many Rons. I was just pondering all the Rons. I am sending this because I have no need for this filament. This is a roll of filament.ca Econofill PETG. Sweet. I love some PETG. This does use the filaments.ca master spool. You can find the spool at Thingiverse link. And the candy, well, since these chocolates can't be found in the U.S., I figured why not send them to you for you and the kids to try. Yes, Xander, you have to share. It says that right there. Yes, Xander, you have to share.
That's
I
right.
didn't make that up. Ron wrote that in there. Also, you enjoy this filament. Thank you, Ron. Thank you so much. And you know what? There are many Rons in the 3D printing world, but it's okay because every one of the Rons that we've met has been awesome. Wow. Thank you, brother, and thank you for including the bag with the death skin as well.
Ooh.
It'll be kind of cool to try this. I haven't tried anything from filaments.ca. I know James from Print and Play talks about it all the time.
Where did all the candy go?
I don't know.
It just magically disappeared.
PETG. You know what? I already have a project for this.
You do?
I do. And I
do?
can't say what it is because the person that it's going to doesn't know that it's going to go to them. But PETG and in gray is perfect.
Wow.
So thank you. Thank you so much for that. Unfortunately, we have to print a different spool because the hole in that is definitely smaller than our slant spool. But
I don't understand.
oh, when you eat that, you'll be like, I mean, at first you'll be like, and then you'll be like, and then you'll be like, man, why don't I get any more of these? So really, what Ron just did to you was the whole give you your first taste, and then you want more of those. He's going to charge you for them. I say if you like it, we'll reach out to James and have him bring us some.
Oh yeah, James.
All right, thank you, Ron. Thank you so much. So this next package, I don't know what's in it. I don't know who it's from. It's out of China. It just showed up at the house, and I order a lot of stuff out of China, but I'm very good about tracking what I buy, and I don't drink, so I didn't drunk order it.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. So we will find out what it is, because you guys out there are awesome, and sometimes I just say things during streams, and then they appear at the house. Oh!
Ooh.
Wow, this is some crazy packaging.
Ooh, that's hot.
I'm going to assume those are knockoffs, being that they're out of China, but they are E3D V6 clones, and it looks like there's 2 of them in there. So I had made mention on one of the streams that I was thinking about doing an E3D on the E12 to see if I could fix some of its extrusion problems, and somebody out there was listening. And generally with China shipments, you'll never get a note in there, but whoever did this, I thank you, and if you want to let us know who you are, we will give you proper credit for sure.
This original Mr. Big is big.
It is. I'm talking about these hot ends here.
I wonder how the king
You're just back to the Canadian candy.
I wonder what the king size bar looks like.
Yeah, that's the small one. You should see the Mr. Huge bar. All right, again, whoever sent that, thank you so much. I don't know who you are, but again, you let us know. We will definitely give you proper credit. But if you want to remain in the shadows, that's okay too. Just know that we appreciate and love you for doing that. That gives me some hope for the E12. Again, thanks to Ron from the Canadian Maker Project, and his link will be down in the description below. He's got a YouTube channel. You definitely want to go check him out if you haven't already. Xander's going to be hyped up on some sugar for a while.
Food. Mine.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We're glad that we had another Mailbag Monday, and if you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications so you can always know when we have new stuff coming out. Yeah?
I think so.
When you're watching this, Earth will be less than 1 week away, and we will be there. If you see us, please come up and talk to us. Thumbs up is always appreciated as well. As always, print on. All right, so we wanted to do just a quick little blurb here of the kids trying the arrow bar. So here's
Never mind.
Zach just stuffs the whole thing in his mouth. Xander takes little bites.
Pretty good.
Is it weird?
It's a little.
No, Zach just mowed through it.
James, can you bring some of these to Earth? Please? They're good.
I'm gonna try another little piece.
Oh, God.
Is it a weird texture?
Yeah, kind of.
And I know that you're not supposed to, but you have to.
That's
You guys
good.
don't get to see the wife's face, but
You don't?
the wife's not a big
Really?
fan of the arrow bar.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, I haven't had one of these in like 20 years, so I have to have a square too. It's like it has kind of a dry effect, like it's a dry chocolate because of the bubbles in it. You could nibble it.
Stuffed it in his mouth, like.
Yeah, you could take little bites of it and enjoy it instead of just like,
like
Cookie Monster. All right, we'll save the rest of that for later.
Good. That's good.
All right, now you have to reach out to James and see if he'll bring you some more.
James, can you please bring some more to Earth?
All right, that's it. Back to the regularly scheduled ending.